What's up, you guys? Another day under W. Today's problem to lowercase. Given a string, return the string after replacing every uppercase letter with the same lowercase letter. So, oops. So I'm gonna actually keep the length of this string. Alright. If s of I is an uppercase letter, right? I'm just gonna say s of I is equal to char of s of I minus 32 and return s. Okay, should it be plus? Okay, it's plus, not minus. Okay, you guys, that's an all of n solution. Thank you guys for watching this one too. Make sure to subscribe. Every 100 subscribers on the road to 1K inclusive, I am giving one of you guys a free PDF with tips and tricks to solve LeetCode and data structures and algorithms better. All you have to do is subscribe and send me a screenshot with proof on Instagram. The link is going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Have an amazing Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one.